Hello kids, a very good morning to you all and welcome back. So, how are you all? I hope that all of you are good, safe and fine at your home. I know that you must have enjoyed your summer holidays a lot. But now, holidays are over and it's time to get back to your studies. So, we are going to start today's session with a story because I know that you guys love stories a lot. So, here is a story for you all. So, let's listen to the story at first.
Once, Moodle and Foodle were sharing lunch during their recess time. Just then, few more friends joined them. They all were sitting on colorful stools in the playground as it was healthy eating week, so everyone had brought something healthy. Foodle had brought cheese and bread. Moodle had omelette and strawberries, and Sam was not willing to open his lunchbox. Foodle offered his food to him, but he said that he was not feeling like eating. After that, when the recess was over and they all went back to their class, they saw that Sam was not in the class. Foodle said to Jack, I think his mother had given too many vegetables. Jack nodded his head and said, Yeah, I think so. And this is the reason he is not willing to eat. Moodle said, Let's open his lunch and see. At first, Jack was not ready for this as he felt that touching someone's property without his consent is not good. But at last, they opened his lunchbox, but it was empty. It was clear to them that Sam was having an empty lunchbox, which made him lie to his friends. So they all decided to fill his lunchbox with food and give him a surprise. They collected many mulberries from a tree in their garden and filled the empty lunchbox with those. When the bell rang and Sam came back to his seat, he lifted his lunchbox to put it back inside his bag and realized it was heavy. He opened it and he was very surprised to see the juicy mulberries. He knew that the efforts were made by his caring friends. He thanked them and ate it all.
So, kids, how was the story? Did you like it? Okay, now tell me, what did you learn from the story? We learned that we should always help our friends because a friend in need is a friend indeed. So that's why whenever your friend needs you, you should always be there to help him. Okay? And now tell me, why do we need food? I mean, why do we eat food? Tell me. Now you will say that whenever we feel hungry, we eat food, right? Can you tell me what is the importance of food? Okay, I will tell you. All living beings need food because food helps us to grow and stay healthy. And it also provides us energy to work, play, run, walk and many other activities. So, food is very important for us and we cannot live without food. But do you know where does this food come from? Okay, I will tell you. So basically there are two main sources of food. The food that we eat either comes from plants or it comes from animals. We get many types of food from plants and animals, and in order to stay healthy we should eat different types of food. Our food mainly consists of pulses, rice, cereals, vegetables and fruits, and fish, meat, milk, etc. Now let's see what kind of food we get from plants and what type of food we get from animals.
Let's look upon the food that we get from plants: cereals, fruits, vegetables, nuts, pulses, and oils. Now let's have a look at their examples. Cereals like rice, wheat, bajra, maize, and oats are obtained from plants, and we also get pulses or dal like gram, lentils like moong, urad, arhar, beans like rajma, lobia, and chickpea and chole from plants. And fruits like apple, banana, orange, plum, kiwi, guava, grapes are obtained from plants, and fruits are loved by all. And vegetables like potato, tomato, gourd, capsicum, onion, cabbage, brinjal are obtained from plant. And nuts like almonds, cashew, walnut, raisins and dates are also obtained from plants. And we also get oils like sunflower, mustard, coconut, olive, groundnut and soya bean from plants. Now let's have a look at animal food. Kids, the food that we get from animal is called animal food. Now let's have a look at some examples. Milk. Milk is the most nourishing food. Kids, you should have enough milk every day. We get milk from cow, buffalo, goat and camel. And milk is also used to make ghee, butter, curd, paneer and cheese. These all are called milk products. We also get meat from animals. We get chicken from hen, mutton from goat, pork from pig and beef from cow. And seafood is also a very important source of food for people. And we also get honey from honeybees, and eggs are obtained from hen and duck. So these all are animal products.
So kids, now you know that the food items that we get from plants are called plant food items, and the food items that we get from animals are called animal food items like eggs, fish, milk and meat. And those items that are made from milk are called milk products. Okay, like cheese, curd, ghee, etc. Now I just hope that the topic is pretty much clear to you. So now let's have an activity. In this activity, ma'am will show you some pictures and you have to observe the picture very carefully. And after that, you have to tell me the name of the food item along with its source and the blend word that the food item is having. Okay, so now let's start the activity. Look here, tell me which food item is this? Yes, these are grapes. Now tell me, we get grapes from plant or animals? Yes, we get grapes from plants. And it is a ZR blend word. Very good. Now look at this picture. Yes, this is the picture of cheese. Now tell me, we get cheese from animals or plants? Yes, we get cheese from animals because cheese is a milk product and we get milk from animals. That's why we get cheese from animals. Okay. Now tell me, which plant cheese is having? Yes, it is a CH plant word. Very good. Now look at this picture. What is this? Yes, broccoli. This is broccoli. And now tell me, broccoli is a plant product or animal product? Yes, broccoli is a plant product. And now tell me, which plant it is having? It is having BR plant. Very good. You all are very intelligent. So kids, how was the activity? Did you enjoy it? Yes, ma'am also enjoyed it. Now, that's it for today. I'll see you all in the next learning video. Till then, bye bye and take care.